We have a funnel cloud. This damn diesel would get the hell out of the way. You could see it there between the stacks. Damn it.
Oh, I gotta go right. God damn it. You're fucked up. I'm on the other side of 99.
Check that out.
You got me so fucked up, Randy.
Alright, Jeff. Go to your left. It's gone. Oh, there it is. All right, let me get a video of that real quick, Jeff. Let me get a little bit of that. Check out that funnel cloud. Tripping. Wow.